Hi friends, how do I water other plants? Take another water bottle, turn it into a waste bottle. Make other small holes in it as shown in this video. Watch this video till the end. Look how the water is coming out of the bottle. You can also make a water bottle drip from a waste bottle. It is very simple. If you put water in the bottle once, it will take 10 to 25 minutes. Please comment and let me know how you like this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. May God bless and protect you. If you have any questions or if you want me to make any videos, I will make a video about that too. If you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. God bless you.